The following is an advertisement.
My name's Kevin Moser, and I operate my own law firm, Moser Law, PLLC. I proudly hold myself out as a person who defends those accused of crimes in both Kentucky and Indiana. My office handles the full gamut of criminal cases, from the smallest traffic infraction all the way up to homicide charges. We have experience defending violent crimes, drug crimes, and sex crimes as well. When people call my office about criminal law issues, they usually ask me one of two questions. The first is, will I go to jail? It's impossible to answer that question right away because each case is dependent upon its own facts, a person's criminal history, and the overall feeling of the police and the prosecution for the case. The other question that people ask me is, what do I do now? And I unequivocally tell them, you need to hire an attorney immediately. Clients sometimes come to my office and tell me that the evidence doesn't look good and they feel like they should just plead guilty and don't need an attorney. I cannot stress enough how poor an idea that is. If a person just walks into court and pleads guilty to a crime, whether it's a misdemeanor or a felony, they're essentially throwing themselves upon the mercy of the court and the prosecutors and asking to be punished. And no one asking to be punished is inherently deserving of mercy. As a defense attorney, it's my job to immediately take the fight to the prosecutors and the police to ensure the highest possibility that a client stays out of jail or goes to jail for the smallest amount of time possible.
The proceeding was an advertisement.